Hello there, young man.
Can you say hi, please?
How are you? Good to see you. You want to come on up here, or would you trust to come up here with me for a bit, or no? No, not really. Want to stay next to Grandma?
He said they'll be here easy.
Okay, there's your half swing. Now let's see your one swing. Oh, there he goes. Nice, you did it.
One swing in.
There's also nothing in the middle. It's just like all out of the It's pretty much live here.
Oh, yeah, no, that's all right. The honor guest, you needed two swings.
Down to 368 bushel. It's going to hit $4 in the next 5 days. When he gets 5.
Mama, can I have a turn? Sure.
No,
Keep it over here.
no.
We're looking.
It's a frog.
Show me.
It's coming back this way. Hey, look at Caleb. Wave at Caleb.
No.
And Grayson, wave at her. Wave at her.
No, stop.
She wants to ride too. Where?
Hey, hello. You hide.
You found it.
No more hide.
More hide.
You hide.
Hey, Daddy.
I close my eyes. Okay, you hide.
Share.
Did you get fireflies? What are they called? Hayes, what are those called?
Basically.
What are those called?
Fireflies.
Fireflies. Yeah.
Otherwise
A whole
known as?
jar. Lightning bug. Can you say lightning bug?
Yeah. I
Yes,
know. Daddy, I know.
Where'd they go?
Yes.
I know. Are they in the jar?
No, I'm that.
I don't want to ruin Grandma's jar though.
What do you have, Hayes?
No.
Is it firefly?
Yes.
Can you say firefly?
There's always more jars.
Fireflies.
Oh.
Got pickle jars.
And who'd you catch the fireflies with?
Garlic jars.
Chelsea? Chelsea. Oh, you found a stick. Now where are you going to put it?
Mama did.
2 sticks, a mama stick and a baby stick?
That's the daddy did.
And that's the daddy stick. Where are you going to put them? Hayes? Oh, that one's Hayes.
I said, is she still there? He said, she's just left.
Papa.
She sat there for an hour and a half. It made him show her.
Nanny.
Nani? Now where are you going to put all those sticks?
What's this?
What's that thing called?
I know dick.
Sticks in the fire pit?
Yes.
Yes.
Ooh, I spelled it.
That's a big stick. Good job.
Wet dog.
Hey, dog. Hi, Lily. Where's Lola?
I see the, I don't know, she fireflies are coming out.
Yeah.
Actually, just take.
Well, than you think. For many reasons.
Dig me one over there, Doug.
You want the cheese?
I used to eat the
I
hell.
only want like half of it, but I need something more. Bills.
Now, what do you think other farmers around? You remember Duroc? I don't even know if that. They're now that kind of hogger. They're all Chester white. Yeah. Isn't that funny? Everybody has the same animal.
Right?
Yeah.
Look at all this stuff. Knocking this list down. Hayes supposed to be on chicken duty.
Yeah, the 81 and the 4.5.
Well, I know it's down here.
Grandma and her brother.
Or Ed just loves us all so much, he just has to keep to the
You
family.
got it, that over there.
He just says, here you guys go.
Sure. I'll keep him out.
You guys should get along.
Little one?
I like that in your video.
And me too. I was here. Hey.
Yeah, but it's good. I like it. Yeah. I remember walking in class, my eyelashes.
That's what a pig does. Gets in trouble.
There was a red ant in between my toes and was trying to get revenge.
So she was gonna come visit him. And her flight was canceled. Right. So she was gonna come the next day.
It was pretty crazy. They started, you could watch them migrate. You could watch them migrate. They started, we could see them when they first started up.
Yeah.
Could be worse.
Yeah. I remember. Yeah, I didn't get to go to his wedding.
Because I had the tickets, I had everything to go out, and I had the time off, and then the mom changed it. Remember? Oh. Evan Starr's mom changed the date, and I'm like, you can't change the date. Like that's, I'm like, I can't go, and they're like, no.
Oh,
Neil's beers are in this.
Other side. Yeah.
You got everything ready, Evan? Good.
Yeah, sure.
Where are you?
But then there's the other
Where is he?
one that runs around.
Where are you going, Hayes?
So you'll see them out on leashes.
What's he doing?
And then there's a stray.
Here he comes. Go through. You got it over there. Straight from the place.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
So no
Right down there
tonight.
by the door.
Where's Hayes?
He's right back.
I haven't heard any more from her, so.
Okay.
Oh, he's here for his. Did you see one, Hayes?
Find the jar.
Yeah, we just caught a bunch of them in Orlando.
Right there. Whoa, another one.
So when we stayed at the first farm, first harvest host on our way out in Iowa, he was just crazy, would not go to bed. And I was like, screw it, I'm gonna take him outside and get him some fresh air, just